Hello all and welcome to our Crochet Designs. My name is Mary and today I'm coming to you with a little video vlog. Yay! Now the video vlog is just to help everyone know what is happening with our channel over the next 6 months. And as you know, I usually do, oh by the way, if you're joining us new, welcome. But my regulars would know I usually do a first Thursday of the month every month. And I'm still going to do that, so that's okay. I just wanted to get in quickly today to let everyone know that I'm kind of very, very busy right now, okay? So what I've decided to do is to cut our tutorials down from 3 days a week to 2 days a week. So you'll be getting 2 tutorials a week. You'll still be getting tutorials. You'll just be getting one less. And it's okay for now because I really need to spend the next 6 months catching up. So what I was thinking, and not just for our tutorials, but for other things on the channel as well. So I did mention a few weeks ago that there will be some change. Again, it's only very minor change, and probably around July or August we'll start back up again with the 3 tutorials a week, maybe. Depends on how I get everything done in time. So as you know, I'm very, very busy. We're still getting all our fantastic tutorials. You'll still get your Mother's Day tutorials, your Father's Day, what's coming up, Easter, some Paddy's Day. You'll still get all those, so don't worry. You'll always get something for those special days, and you will still get your blankets and your beanies and your scarves. I don't know, I can't think of all the things we decided to make this year, but there you go. You'll still get everything I mentioned on the first Thursday of the month of this year, which actually was the second Thursday, but I always call it first Thursday. I think I put it up the first. No, I put it up the second Thursday. I'm totally confusing myself. Let's forget that. You'll still get everything I mentioned in that video, because what I did this year on purpose, just so to give me a little bit of leeway, is to not pack so much of that first video up telling you what we're doing for the year. This way I had plenty of time to take a break, step back, catch up, and that sort of thing. And I did promise the lovely Jody. Jody is one of our subscribers who did recently win. She won. It wasn't recently. It was like 6 months ago. She won, and this is the pattern we're working on actually at the moment, the Pretty as a Peacock blanket giveaway. Now, in that case, she actually won the yarn, the hook, the scissors, a sewing needle, and of course the pattern, which I promised her. And I still haven't given her the pattern yet. And I promised I'd get the pattern to her before anybody else got the tutorials. Now, that hasn't happened because I ran out of time. And we put part 1 up of this blanket, by the way, last night, early this morning. I think it was like 1 o'clock in the morning. Anyway, scratch that. We put part 1 up. I just don't want to edit anything, guys. We put part 1 up this morning, very, very early in the morning. And so what I was thinking, we're still going to get part 2 out. And I did say we'll get it out in a couple of days' time. I'm going to spend a few days working on it. But I'm going to hold it out a couple of weeks. This way it gives me time to write the pattern up and give that pattern to Jody before we continue. So don't be in a hurry to complete that square. Part 2 won't be coming for, I don't know, about 2 weeks maybe even 3. You know, give myself a bit of leeway here, yeah? This is the way I can get the pattern out to Jody, which I did promise in the initial giveaway. Now, it's not just that pattern that we're doing at the moment. There's quite a few projects going at the moment. They're small projects and some of them are big, and I think one of them is the Granny Square Shrug, which I actually is kind of a remake, if you will, of a video tutorial I had accidentally deleted. Don't you love it? I'm so clever like that. And so what I've been doing is redoing it, and I'm 3/4 of the way through that as well. So what I'm going to do for myself to help myself out for the next few weeks is not pop any tutorials up for the rest of this week, obviously, because today's Friday, to pop part 2 of our mile a minute table runner on Monday. So you will see part 2 Monday. It was supposed to go up today. It's going to go up on Monday. Give me a whole weekend to edit it, yeah? And then we'll still continue on with our tutorials, but they'll only be 2 a week, just for a few months so I can catch up with everything. So for those of you who are waiting on parcels or, gifts from the wheel in the past, they are coming. Okay, so just bear with me on that. We've had a lot of shipment issues out of the country at the moment. Certain countries are not accepting any shipments from Australia, and most countries are, most of them are, but those of you who know your country is not accepting any shipments from Australia, just bear with me. We'll work something out, and I will be messaging you in the next, I don't know, week or so. And the other thing I wanted to mention was, I'm not sure if anyone's been around long enough to know that in the past I used to do spot giveaways. Now I've decided, for the purpose of slowing down shipments, to get rid of the wheel. What? Now, for those of you who know, I use the wheel on the live as a bit of fun and all excitement and the rest of it, but it's a little hard for me to get any shipments out. And a lot of people have messaged me saying, because I started putting patterns on, and I just started this week, 1 pattern so far. And the lovely lady, I'll be sending that out to her, and apparently it's the same pattern that someone else has received. So what I'm going to do is delete this, get rid of it. Oh, like that. I don't know if it broke, but it hit something on the way down. And reintroduce my spot giveaways. Now, if you're not sure what that is because you're new to the channel, or you joined after I used to do them, because I used to do them quite a few years ago. I think it was the very first year I started. And what I usually did was, whenever there was a milestone subscriber count, I would do my big giveaways. And you guys know what those big giveaways consist of. It's a lot of stuff. And if you're new, it's a lot of stuff. But then when came a moment where I thought, a certain subscriber has done so much for me in that month or that 6 months or whatever it is, that she's done a lot for me or he's done a lot for me, I do a spot giveaway. And this year I've decided, sorry about the crinkle, I've decided to do spot giveaways instead of the wheel. And this way I can still give back to our subscribers. And usually the subscriber who does get it is someone who puts in quite a bit for the channel, whether it be, I don't know, donations on our website at www.wowcrochetdesigns.com, purchasing patterns from our website, even that, small patterns, purchasing packs like these from our website, or just putting super chats on YouTube, or even just commenting and sharing our videos. Really works for me when I see someone sharing our videos. I think fantastic. They're out there, they're putting in so much effort for our channel. Let's give back. Now, I know a lot of people can't do donations. There are so many other ways you can support our channel, which is fantastic, which means I'll do spot giveaways to anyone I see who has supported the channel a lot, even if you don't do super chats or donations, even if you just do your commenting or sharing or whatever else have you, because I know there's a lovely lady by the name of Angela, and everybody knows Angela. She's on our channel all the time. She sends messages on Facebook, Instagram. She follows me everywhere. When I post a video, she mentions something about it. She watches the videos. She really does put in a separate effort to when people send a donation on the channel. So in my eyes, someone like her, which I've already given her a spot giveaway in the past, she won one, I think it was the very first year that I started, in the first 6 months, or maybe the next 6 months, I can't remember. But she won a spot giveaway that time then. So I'm going to reintroduce the spot giveaways. And in the spot giveaways, you're going to get things like this. You're going to get your pattern, your yarn, your hook, your scissors, your sewing needle, and of course my little card, which just gives you all the information of where I am, from websites to Instagram to Facebook and whatever else have you. Now, this is something that I did in the past, and sometimes you'll get a spot giveaway like that, or I'm not sure if you can see our boxes right up there. I think you can. Now, that box is 3 skeins, your hook, your scissors, your sewing needle, and your pattern. It is a long wraparound scarf. So you've got your small scarves and you've got your long one. That's a long one. That's quite a big, heavy, chunky scarf. And then you have your smaller packs, your cowls. Oh, I've popped this in wrong. Where's the picture? it's down there, upside down, but it's there. It's a small cowl. That one's the V-stitch cowl. Then you'll have that. Plus, this year, I've been working on, I've already worked on them, it's just a matter of getting them tested, other patterns. Now, I've been working on other patterns and they're going to come in their packs and they're also going to be sold separately as well on their website, but you don't have to worry about that. All you need to worry about is the spot giveaways. And they will happen, when I say spot, it means they'll happen just out of the blue. Like one day I'll just pop a video up and I'll say, right, Mickey Mouse has won. I can't think of a name now. Mickey Mouse has won the cowl pack. I don't know what he's going to do with the cowl pack, but he's won the cowl pack. So do you know what I mean? It'll just pop out of the blue. There will be no warning and I won't tell you what's happening. I'll just pop one up. But the video will be called Spot Giveaway. So you'll see it. So you'll know that it's happening, which is really, I think is really fantastic. It's very exciting too, because you don't know it's happening until you see the video go up and you think, oh, Mary's done a spot giveaway. Ah! Now, if you don't get notifications, which can happen, and you know, it can be missed, and I know that, you'll still hear about the spot giveaway. Because what I'll do is I still do my Wednesdays live and my Saturdays lives, and I will talk about it and say, look, if you didn't see the spot giveaway on whatever day it was, you better go and check it out because you have won, that kind of thing. So keep your eyes peeled for those. They will happen out of the blue. And you know, they might happen within the next 2 weeks. I'm not saying anything. She opens her mouth, doesn't she? She doesn't keep it quiet, right? One might happen within the next 2 weeks. So keep your eyes peeled. 2 weeks. Pick a day. Whenever you see a video go up within the next 2 weeks and it's called Spot Giveaway, that's the one to watch. There'll be no questions. There'll be nothing. It'll just be saying, right, Mickey Mouse has won da-da-da-da because, and I'll explain. And I'll even use that tone, because, no. I'll try to be good. No, that's very difficult for me. So there you go. And that's something new that we're introducing to the channel. I know it's something old that we have done in the past, but it's something new we're introducing to the channel because yours truly threw the wheel down. You like that? All right. So that's pretty much all I want to talk about today, guys. I do want to mention that part 1 of this went up early this morning. I mentioned that before. And part 2 is coming within the next 2 or 3 weeks. Keep your eyes peeled. Part 2 of our table runner, our mile a minute table runner, will be posted Monday. Now I'll pop, actually you'll see that on Saturdays live. If you join us on Saturdays live at 10 a.m. Melbourne, Australia time, this Saturday it is, which is tomorrow, 10 a.m. Melbourne, Australia time, you'll see the table runner in its entirety. It's actually drying on the blocking mat as we speak. In actual fact, it's dry, but I haven't taken it off yet. So I'll take it off tomorrow morning and I'll show you all in tomorrow morning's live. So you'll get to see that then. All right, that's it. I just wanted to give you a quick update what's happening on the channel over the next 6 months. There'll be 2 tutorials a week. You'll be getting your normal lives, and you'll also be getting that spot giveaway. Get excited. My name is Mary. This is Crochet Designs, and ciao for now.